we're using artificial intelligence for is we're trying to use it for its strengths. For example, I check thousands of emails every day. I log into Facebook and go down and see all the posts. It's never ending. It's like completely scrolling all the time. How would I know that somewhere in one of those posts there is a malicious URL link that takes you to a website that you're not supposed to go to? How would you know that there is an attachment in your email where if you click, you will unknowingly be sending money from your bank account to some hacker out there? How do you be cautious all the time when we all have like such busy lifestyle? So we want sort of a personal assistant that can really help us to do the right thing here. So we want some way of identifying these potential risks and threats ahead, even when, as a human, I sometimes fail to notice such things because I cannot go through this vast amount of data. So what you do is you really give a computer a lot of this data, and then you make the computer identify patterns. Once you identify patterns, once the computer starts learning and it tries to identify patterns on its own, that's when, it can warn you preemptively saying that this particular email has a malicious attachment. This particular Facebook post probably contains fake news. This process of recognizing patterns is what is commonly known as machine learning, because the machine is trying to learn what is a threat and what is not a threat, because we are teaching it by saying, this is an example of an email that is a threat. When you give examples, your machine learns. This is very similar to how you would teach a child that doesn't know anything about the language. So you first start saying, this is an apple, this is an orange, and slowly the child will learn. Similarly, the machine is also going to learn.